Coronavirus is a talk of the day globally, with the increase of the number of cases like announced by the president of Zambia. Zambians seem to now take the measures put up by government serious. Now, residents of the former Zambia Airways housing complex say they do not want to be treated as collateral damage in the name of saving some victims of coronavirus. The Ministry of Health is planning on turning the former Victoria Hospital, located in Long Acres, a residential area, into an isolation center for patients diagnosed with coronavirus.
Now, I'm sure you have seen the house, which used to be Victoria Hospital. Now, we have been objecting to a hospital in this neighborhood since 2008. Right? In fact, in 2008, we wrote an objection to the Minister of Local Government. In that same year, the Minister of Local Government, Ms. Sylvia Masebo, closed this facility as a hospital. So as far as we are concerned, this facility does not operate as a hospital. So for them to resurrect it again for use as a quarantine is something we object to very, very strongly. So we need them to reverse that decision. Right?
Yes.
Now, one of the major reasons, as you can see, these houses are very close to each other. They're semi-detached. So infection is very easy from one house to the next. In fact, there used to be affluent from this hospital to the neighbors along there, along the drainage. So all those issues forced us into the action we took to close the hospital. So what they're doing now to try and resurrect it is something we don't want to happen. All right, that's our view.
Now, the residents have called on the Ministry of Health to reverse its decision and make the Epic Center in an isolated place. According to residents, some equipments such as beds, beddings and army tents have already been taken to the area. However, Victoria Hospital Management says it is not aware of such developments and does not have information on the matter. The coronavirus, commonly referred to as COVID-19, is a virus spreading quickly around the world, and putting up an epic center right in between homes is as dangerous as the virus itself.
Concern right now is that they may start bringing the patients, because we are told that last evening they were bringing beds. So meaning this evening they may bring some patients, and that's our concern. Ministry of Health has been saying everyone should go to their home. They should be what they call self-quarantine. So if we are talking of self-quarantine, where are we going to if in our homes we have an area which is used for quarantine, the coronavirus patients? Where are we going to go? Everyone goes in their homes for safety. But here we are not safe. So this is where we are worried. And we are also concerned because we don't know what plans they have. Already, if you have seen, the tent has already been erected. So what next? Beds are already there. There are people repainting the same place. So what next?
These residents visited the Ministry of Health to inquire what exactly the ministry plans to do with the building, but were not immediately given feedback. However, during the press briefing on the update on the coronavirus by the Minister of Health, Chitalu Chilufya, he confirmed the building will be used as one of the isolation centers. Constance Mwemba, reporting for Movie TV News, Lusaka.